Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Susie from Susie's Crafts. I just thought I'd come on here and make a quick video to share my recipe for how to make your own decoupage glue at home. There are many good decoupage glues on the market. Mod Podge is probably the most well known, but there's DecoupAge, Stamperia, Fusion, along with a number of others. These are all good glues, but if you're on a budget or if you do a lot of decoupage like I do, then this simple recipe could be good for you. Could be good. So what you'll need is a jar for mixing and keeping your glue, like this one. You'll need some white glue. This is often known as wood glue or PVA, Elmer's glue or school glue. It's all just white glue. I bought this one at my local emporium, and as you'll see, it was only $3.95 New Zealand dollars. You'll also need some water, which I've got here, and something to stir your glue with. So the recipe is 1 cup of white glue, which I've measured out here. I'm just going to pour that into my jar, like that. And I'll just get it all out with the brush. I don't want to waste any. That's pretty good. And then I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of water, which I measured earlier. You just pour that straight in there and give it a good mix. You could put the lid on and shake it if you like, but I've got a bad shoulder, so I prefer to just mix mine with a brush. And that's it. That's so simple. One thing I'll say though is don't mess with these measurements because they are perfect and you'll either get it too runny or not runny enough. If you want to double the mixture, go for it, but make it 2 cups of glue to 2/3 of a cup of water. Remember what I used was 1 cup of glue to 1/3 of a cup of water. Now this glue works on wood, glass or metal, and it lasts for ages. And that's all I use. I use it all the time. Anyway, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, a like, or leave me a comment if you've enjoyed my video. And check out my other videos on how to decoupage. Take care everyone. Bye for now.